So first we'll put the spalled concrete, polished concrete sample. We'll put it right in this tank of water, like so. Then we're going to mix. Make a small batch. It's fast cure, so you don't have a lot of time. But that also means you get a fast turnaround. There's enough. Now you'll notice that there's just a couple of bubbles, but it's just from what was in the aggregate when it was mixed. It's not swelling. It's not foaming. This will also cure right under the water. We'll come back and we'll process this patch and see how we did for bond. Alrighty, I'll pull these out of the water. See how they bonded. Got hard. Pour directly through the water. Nope. It's soaked off. Bonded just fine through water.